In this video, we are unboxing the 1/2-inch swivel head ratcheting wrench. This is the 1/2-inch swivel head ratcheting wrench. The main difference between the standard wrench is that the head can pivot roughly 180 degrees. It can work around obstacles in tight spaces and angle the tool to reach bolts in awkward positions. For example, bolts in tight spots like inside engine bay, where a standard straight wrench can't reach. The ratcheting mechanism is a 72-tooth gear design. With each click is only about 5 degrees of rotation. Even in the tightest spots can keep turning the bolts without constantly repositioning the tool. There is a quick release button on top of the ratcheting head. Press it and can remove the socket. This makes socket changes faster and also locks the socket to prevent falling. The lever on the ratcheting head can switch between forward and reverse, switching from tightening to loosening by one way, and no need to change tools. Do not overload the tool during using. The design relies on the ratcheting teeth to transmit torque. If you constantly use it as a pry bar or cheater bar, may damage the ratcheting teeth because it fails completely. The internal ratcheting mechanism needs regular cleaning and lubrication. Dirt, sand, and grime can get into the gaps around the ratcheting head. Spray it periodically with penetrating oil to keep it operating smoothly. Otherwise, the gears will wear out quickly. Avoid dropping, hitting, or banging the tool. Dropping will loosen the swivel joint and throw off the ratchet engagement, which causing it to slip when turning.